Hello guys, welcome in Shop Zone. Today I am going to show you that how you can create the transparent gloss effects inside the Photoshop. So you can see here I have two images, one is the background, one is the boy. So basically firstly I will take the selection tools, and with the help of quick selection tools I will select the shot. Okay, and then I need to just make the clone, copy and paste. It will be duplicate. Now once again you need to just, you can see when I am going to hide invisible, then you can see that shot is disappearing there. Okay, so firstly you need to select the full image layer. Now click on the mask, so it will create a mask. You can see this is the masking effects. So now just again select the selection tools and select this shot once again, and now just start to erase this with the selection of the mask. So firstly you need to select the object of the mask section and just take the brush tools. Just remember, make sure that brush hardness should be 100%, opacity should be 100%, and then start to erase them. Press the delete key and hold them and just start to erase this shot. Okay, so when we just remember, hold down delete key till erase the shot. So basically just I press the delete key and hold down, so you can see it's erased completely. Now if I will like to hide above layer, so you can see that is looking so perfectly transparent effects. Okay, now let's see, you need to click on this same layer, masking layers, and just you can see above the drop down is the normal, so you can click on the above drop down. Firstly you need to select the top shot, which is when we have make the duplicate, so click on the drop down and select the overlay. Now just below you need to click inside these drop down options and select the levels. You can control here level and opacity of this shot. You can control the levels capability, that's of what should be the transparency effects and how it's look, so you can control them. So this is the best idea for you can make the transparency effects inside these Photoshops. I hope you understand, and if you have any doubts then please let me know. Just try to create some different transparency effects. So I hope you understand. So let's see you in the next video. So bye bye, take care.